Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Now one of the easiest part about trading is identifying a breakout. Let it be a beginner. If he just goes and watches 1 or 2 videos on YouTube as to how to draw support and resistance level, how to mark trend line on the chart. With the help of this, easily they can plot all these levels on the chart and find breakout opportunity. But majority of the time what would happen is this breakout setup will fail. After we taking entry at the breakout, the market would reverse and hit a stop loss. This keeps happening regularly. Now even if you're facing similar kind of problem during the live market, I highly suggest you to watch this video because I'll be telling you 2 simple steps with the help of Stoploss Hunting and Fibonacci tool how you can increase your success rate when you enter a trade at a breakout. Now I'll switch to the screen. I will show you some examples that will give you a complete clarity as to next time how you can plan a trade when you get a breakout opportunity. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a 5 minutes time frame chart of Bank Nifty. Now if you see here, Bank Nifty has given a breakout. Now what would a retail trader do when he sees a breakout? He will think about entering a call option trade, or he might buy the futures of Bank Nifty. He will enter the trade after the candles close. He might place a stop loss at breakout candles low or little lower, thinking that the market might at least go up to this level or this level. Now let's see what happened next. Bank Nifty just consolidated within the same range and finally it hit the stop loss of a retail trader. So here a retail trader exited with a loss. Now next you can see again Bank Nifty has given a breakout. Now looking at this breakout candle, again what a retail trader will do, at this time he sees market is moving towards the upside. He will plan to re-enter the trade. Again he might place stop loss at breakout candles low or even little lower for safety, thinking that if market starts moving towards the upside, it can go up to the previous resistance level. This is the target what he might plan. Now let's see what happened next. Here Bank Nifty is slowly moving towards the upside, but very soon it started reversing and again it hit the stop loss of a retail trader. Now there is a 80% chance that a breakout setup will fail if you do not start to implement the concept of stop loss hunting and using the Fibonacci tool effectively. Let me show you how to do this now. Now traders, the first thing that we will do is we will take the Fibonacci retracement tool. So from swing high to swing low, we will draw the Fibonacci level. Now here you can see the market has moved up until 618 level of Fibonacci. This means there is a high chance that there is going to be a trend reversal because there is no stop loss hunting level towards the upside. At that time, we should not plan for a call option trade. We need to look for put option trading opportunity. Now what if market is moving towards the upside? At that time, again what we will do is from swing low to swing high, we will draw the Fibonacci level. This is the swing low and this is the swing high. Now let's see what happened next in the market. You can see the market is coming down. Now you can see the market is taking support at 618 level of Fibonacci. This means there is no stop loss hunting level towards the downside, so a trend reversal is expected. Let's see what happened next. You can see that market started reversing from here. So at this time, we should not be planning for a put option trade. We need to look for call option trading opportunity. Now some of you will still have a doubt, will the setup work really during the live market? You can see here on 29th of August in our Telegram channel, I had shared similar kind of setup. Here you can see market was moving towards the upside. It created a W pattern, gave a breakout. And where did the market go up to? It went up to 618 level of Fibonacci. At that time itself I said this W pattern can be a trap. Market ideally should not be going above this level for bearish trend to continue. Now this is a 5 minutes time frame chart of Bank Nifty for 29th of August. Now on this day, you can see Bank Nifty formed a W pattern. Many people would prefer to enter a trade at W pattern. Right here they got a breakout, but this breakout is very close to 618 level of Fibonacci. That is why I said a trend reversal is expected. Here you can see later point of time what kind of movement Bank Nifty did. Now the update which I shared in the Telegram group was based on the same concept of stop loss hunting and using the Fibonacci tool. Now if you just follow the concept, which we have discussed in this video right now, there is a high chance that you can avoid false breakout 80% of the time. You don't have to trust me, you just open Nifty chart, Bank Nifty chart and Fin Nifty chart. In all of these charts, just go and check 1 month data. That is when you will understand the true potential of stop loss hunting and the Fibonacci tool. Now, if you are interested to learn the concept of stop loss hunting in detail, you can check out the link in the description box. Now traders, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something new. If you want me to make regular videos like this, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel and leave your message in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.